Good morning, grade 11. This is the pre-calculus part after chapter 14. The first lesson is talking about rectangular coordinates, and it is a very easy lesson. And you have a background about these lessons. This is in page 2. Your assignment will be page 9, numbers 27, 29, and so on. And this is your project, 57. And the practice, which I'm going to explain it now, 28, 40, 44, and 46. Let's start with 28. Find the distance between 2 points. The 2 points are 1, 4 and 8, 4. Let me explain it first. The distance formula is if you have 2 points, x1, y1, and b, x2 and y2, how can you get the distance between a and b? It is the square root of the difference of x2 minus x1 square plus the difference of y square. Example 1, 4 and 8, 4. Their distance is 8 minus 1 squared and 4 minus 4 squared. Or you can say 1 minus 8 squared plus 4 minus 4 squared. If you do this in the calculator, you'll get 7. So the distance between these 2 points is 7. Number 40. You have this shape, 3 points in the coordinate plane, and you need to get the distance between AB, BC, and AC. And to prove that these 3 sides forming a right angle triangle. So I will get the distance between A and B, which will be 12, and between B and C, which will be 5, and AC 13. Take these numbers, square them. You will find that the square of 13 equals the square of 12 plus square of 5. That means that this is right angle triangle. The angle between 5 and 12 is the right angle. 5 and 12, which is angle B. So I can say that this is a right angle triangle at B. If the square of one side is greater than the sum of the other 2 sides, this will be an obtuse angle triangle. For example, if this is 14 square will be greater than the 12 and 5 square. So this will be an obtuse angle triangle. If the square of the greater side less than the sum of the other 2 sides, so it will be a scalene triangle or acute angle triangle. Number 44. 44 is the same as number 40. The difference is you have the 3 points without graph, so it's the same. 44 and 43. 46 the same as 40, but it doesn't satisfy part B, because in number 46 prove that it is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means 2 sides are equal. So when you get the sides, you'll find 2 of them are equal. So it will be an isosceles triangle. 48. In number 48, I need to get the distance between 2 points and the midpoints between 2 points. And first, graph them. This is the graph of 1, 12, 6, 0. And the distance, it will be 6 minus 1 squared plus 0 minus 12 squared. It will be the square root of 180. How can you get the midpoint? There is a formula for the midpoint. It is saying that if you have 2 points A, x1, y1, and B, x2, y2, so the midpoint between this A and B is the average of x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y1 over 2. So this is the midpoint, means the point in the middle. So to get the midpoint, between 112 and 60, you will get the average of 1 and 6, 1 plus 6 over 2, and 12 plus 0 over 2. It will be 7 over 2, which is 3.5. 12 over 2, which is 6. This is the midpoint between the 2 points. Number 58 is a word problem. Also, you have a graph. All you need to do in this word problem is to get the distance between these 2 points. Easy? It's very easy. Thank you.